Communication was a problem we really honed in on early. And just through our history in this business, how our industry has tackled communication is a lot different than other financial service providers or other companies. And the key distinction is we ask our loan officers to use their personal cell phones. I really use it as a metaphor. I'm old, I'll date myself, but there's a game called Telephone back in the day. And it was this game where there'd be multiple people in a line. You would speak a statement starting at one end, and you would see how that statement ended up 4 people later. If you think about how we communicate in our industry, it's very much like that, right? We all have decentralized communication devices. So as our loan officer is having an engaging conversation with their agent partner or their customer, they then have to relay that information to their processor, their loan officer assistant, or anybody else internally. And as we all know, just like the game of telephone, information loss happens. And so when you look at almost any survey in this industry, from any customer survey, communication is always one of the top 1 or 2 items that are considered the biggest pain points. So what we wanted to do was something a little different. Instead of relying on this decentralized communication platform that forces person-to-person transmission of that information, we wanted to adopt newer technology, cloud-based telephone technology, right? That allows everyone in the organization or within your team to instantly see communication that's occurring with your customer, your referral partners, or even internal teammates. So we've adopted cloud-based team phones that allow our loan originators and their supporting teams to instantly see conversations wherever they're happening. The other thing, what we wanted to make sure as we did that, as we record all those calls, they get transcribed and provide action items. In our system, the processor sees that conversation instantly. It's transcribed, and a set of action steps are listed in the communication. So what that's done is it's drastically increased our communication or speed to customer, in that we're not waiting for information to be transferred from the originator to the processor to the assistant. That information is consumed instantly, and the processor, assistant, or whoever can act on that right there and not wait. That has increased our speed to customer immensely.